AI builder use case for PMM and marketing, it's going to be a game changer and save you potentially tens of hours. So think about how you identify customer testimonials or case studies today. You might ping reps, you might try to manually listen to calls or keyword search. Instead, come into Gong's AI builder, these 9 dots up here, create content with AI, and ask a question like, hey, identify our top 10 raving fan customers that use Gong Forecast as an example. You can also hit add sources here. So you could look for specific customers that use that product or in a certain industry. What you do is you just leverage these filters on the left and it's all synced with CRM as well. So you look for a certain industry, or you could look for, certain ARR. We only want to take a look at 100K plus customers, just as an example. Once you have that filtered data set, now you can ask that prompt across it and say, hey, now we want to identify those top 10 customers. You would hit go here and then it would generate that list. Now, what you can do from that is actually take real examples from customers and our learnings and generate something like a case study or a customer testimonial that's ready for draft. And you can potentially get in front of the customer for approval to start to work on creating that for the website or for marketing or for anything else. So what I would do here is I would come into add sources, and one of those accounts we just identified was Credax. That's a raving fan of Gong Forecast. Now I can come into Credax. I can filter by their calls with our customer team, hit the save button. Now it's going to look just off of that data set, and I can say, hey, create a case study for Gong Forecast based on the outcomes their team shared they saw using our solution and switching from XYZ competitor. You hit this go button and now Gong is going to run that, and it's going to actually draw from their real quotes and conversations that they've already shared with our team. Right? This is a great first draft before you even have to ping them or speak with that customer or ask for their time. You can basically say, hey, we have something that's ready to go. So here's an example of what that would look like in full. Here would be a prompt on the left, and this is a running memory chat. You could ask a follow-up question, hey, create out a couple more quotes here, or provide some background on their company size, things like that. It's going to create out that case study from start to finish, some of the business challenges they faced with, how they implemented our solution, the results and outcomes they achieved with us. This is immense, right? They actually shared with us, they saved over $500,000 annually. It's going to link to those specific calls and snippets. So it has all that rich, underlying context within it. Since it's built on the right data, right? Our actual customer conversations and everything that's happening in our customer accounts. Immensely helpful starting point. Can copy paste, can bring this into a Google Doc or working doc, anything like that. And then even package this up, maybe ship this off to the customer, ask for their approval, ask for 15 minutes to clean this up together and see if you can partner with them on what's to come.